Hello there, welcome to Yoga with Anja and welcome to this very important yoga practice today, yoga for complete relaxation. Today we're moving through a full body relaxation in shavasana, so it really is time for you to let go, to unwind, and you might be one of those women who can't nap during the day. So hopefully this gives you an idea that you can still get to a place where you can completely relax, give your baby the idea that you're in a state of full relaxation, and maybe after a while you can start to listen to that and try to go and have a nap after this practice. I look really forward to practice with you, step with you onto the mat in just a moment. So welcome. Make sure today that you're really nice and comfortable, or dressed warm as well, because we're not going to move our bodies. You can use a blanket, you can keep socks on, anything that makes you feel really at ease. And if you are practicing somewhere where you might be able to light some candles or turn the light down, then really get yourself a super comfy and nourishing atmosphere. I'm going to show you how you can come into shavasana, pregnancy shavasana, and then I will get back up to talk you through, just so you know that you can stay lying down. So if you have your yoga bolster or any pillows that are big enough to place between your knees, you do that. Make sure your hip and your knees are in line, so they're at an angle, and then slowly start to release your head down onto a pillow. You're lying on your left side. And you can have your arms in any position that feels nice. You might want to have your arm resting on your side body and then making contact with your bump. So really check in with what feels good for you. Have a wiggle around. Adjust in any way that you need to. And then I will just slowly start to move you into this guided full body relaxation today. So allow yourself to gently close down your eyes or soften your gaze and your awareness inward. And as you do so, just take a moment to let go of the outer world, of anything else that is happening around you, anything that is to come after this practice or that has already happened this week. Allow yourself to become present with your body and your bump. And just take a moment to sense how you're doing today, how you're feeling as you step onto your mat. And notice that you deserve this time for yourself. And even more so than ever before, that you need to rest, that you need to relax, so baby can feel relaxed and at rest too. And don't worry if it's not that easy for you to drop into such a state. Just allow yourself to follow my voice for the next moments of this practice. And notice that you can let go of anything. You don't have to do anything, nowhere to be, other than lying down here in your shavasana. And for a moment, allow the left side of your body to feel a little bit heavier on your mat. Notice your knees, your legs just sinking in towards one another, resting on your pillow. Your head nice and heavy, softening down towards the cushion. Notice your body, your entire being from head to toes. And for 3 cleansing breaths, take an in-breath through the nostrils And out breath to let go. Inhale. And exhale. Breathing in. Very nice, and breathing out. Completely letting go. And then just allow your breath to settle into a natural rhythm of soft and calm inhales and exhales. And then as we start to move into this full body relaxation, again follow the sound of my voice, and just as much as you can, try to stay present with your practice. So from here, slowly start to bring your awareness down into your feet. Relax all 10 toes. Relax the soles of your feet. And notice the weight of your ankles gently resting down towards the earth. Bring your awareness towards your lower legs. Relax your shins, your calves. And then notice the softness through the knees, the back of your knees. Wander your awareness further up toward your thighs. And notice these strong muscles of your upper thighs now relaxing and just softening down towards the earth underneath you. Bring your awareness towards your hips and just allow the weight of your hips to soften down towards your mat. Relaxing the glutes, the area of your hip flexors. Hips are nice and heavy, nice and relaxed. Then start to wander your awareness further up towards baby, your bump. And just allow your bump to feel soft. All these tissues, the changes that are happening, to be exactly as they are today, but with a bit more ease, a bit more relaxation now. Bring your awareness towards your lower back, your middle back, and all the way towards your upper back. And notice your back muscles, all these muscles along the spine to release. Feel the entire left side of your upper body sinking towards the earth, nice and heavily. Bring your awareness now towards your shoulders, the tops of your shoulders, and imagine them sinking down and away from the ears. Shoulders are softening and releasing. Notice your arm, your left arm relaxing. The weight of your arm just gently releasing down towards the earth. Notice your right arm sinking towards the side body, maybe towards the earth. And allow your palms to be ever so soft. Your fingers to just curl into a natural position. Relax your chest, your heart. And then slowly move your awareness further up your body, feeling the neck muscles releasing, the weight of your head pressing down towards the earth. Relax your forehead, all these tiny thinking muscles. Relax the area around your temples, the area around your eyes. Just really imagine softness washing down your face, relaxing your cheeks, your jaw, your teeth, and your tongue. Notice your jaw unclenching. And after you've taken the time to bring your awareness from your feet all the way up into the crown of your head, visualize again your whole body as one, and allow softness and relaxation to wash from head all the way down to the toes. Your body starts to feel heavier on the mat, heavier and heavier. And you really know that you're safe and you can let go completely and fully now. And for these next few moments in stillness, in your shavasana, just enjoy spending that time quietly and at peace with your bump and that beautiful happening within your body. Enjoy your rest in your shavasana. Notice the soft and calm rhythm of your breathing, and every exhalation brings you closer to that ultimate rest, that release, a time where you can simply let go and simply be. Inhaling calm, exhaling release. Breathing in calm, and exhale let go. Maybe anything that comes up for you, you need to let go. And once more, inhale peace, and exhale to release. Beautiful work. Very, very nice. Very nice focus. Now ever so slowly start to move your hands again. Start to wiggle your toes, maybe in any way you can, lying on your side. You can bring a bit of a stretch into the body. And then once you're ready, take it nice and slow and join me in a seated position on your mat. Bring your hands to your heart, so one hand to the heart, the other one to your baby. And just gently bow your head down in gratitude. In gratitude for spending the time to simply be. And remember that pausing is not showing weakness. Pausing is really needed right now. And I'm sure your baby will thank for it. Thank you so much from my heart and my bump to yours. Namaste.